guys, so here's what I'm going through. You gotta love YouTube, because there's a tutorial on there that showed me how to fix this. Because I had it out today, and I had a camera issue where everything seemed really fuzzy. Now the problem, which seemed to, I'm going to test it here in a second, but it should be fixed. Now the problem seems that it was right behind the camera here. Now what I looked up showed that the camera was getting hot, and it gives a fuzzy, blurry kind of view. So I took the 3 screws out here, 1, 2, 3, and the camera will come off. I had to take the whole camera arm off there to get at them, but it's only easy. It was only 4 screws, 2 there, 2 in behind. So I got this apart. I applied some thermal paste, and what they say is the camera gets hot and that's what it causes. So hopefully the issue is fixed, which it should be, and I'm going to test it out in a minute. But thank God for YouTube. Like I say, there's so many tutorials on there show you how to fix these things, and yeah, that's about it. So test it out in a sec. I'll let you guys know what happens. See you guys. Okay guys, as you can see, look at the image on the phone. It's now a lot better. See that? It's fixed. I'm getting a little bit of latency there, a little bit of lag, but it's expected. But the picture's nice and clear again, so it shows me that it's fixed the issue. Put thermal paste behind it and it solved the problem. See that? Nice and clear again. So now I've just got to put the cover and stuff back on, guys, and we're set to fly again. So gotta love YouTube. YouTube is a very great help. So awesome. Done. Catch you later, guys. Well guys, it's now the next morning, so check out the outcome. That's from applying thermal paste. Nice clear image again. Now if I were to show you guys the old image, I don't even know if I still have it. I think I deleted it. Actually I have it here, guys. Here's what it turned out like before. Look how grainy that is. If the camera picks that up, guys, it's very, very grainy around all the trees. So you Beebop owners out there, if you start experiencing this type of problem, that's what you do, guys. Pull the camera system off of the Beebop, take the camera off the mount itself, and there's a little thin aluminum plate right behind the camera. Fill that full of thermal paste, thermal compound, and it'll correct your problem.